담자된 부슈교인
Penpa Tsering has been officially sworn in for a second term as the Sikyong or political leader of the Tibetan government in exile. The ceremony took place at the main temple in Dharamshala, India, widely considered the heart of the Tibetan diaspora and the epicenter of their political movement. In the presence of the Tibetan spiritual leader, the Dalai Lama, Mr. Tsering took his oath of office after securing historic mandate. He is the first leader to win outright in the preliminary round, capturing 61% of the vote cast by exiled Tibetans across 27 countries. In a highly symbolic moment during the proceeding, a newly standardized Tibetan national flag approved by the Tibetan Parliament in exile was displayed for the first time at the official public gathering. The event was attended by a parliamentary delegation from 4 nations, including the host country, India, alongside a special delegation from the U.S. Embassy. In his inaugural address, Mr. Tsering reaffirmed his commitment to the Dalai Lama's long-standing middle way policy. He stressed that he does not seek full independence for Tibet, but rather meaningful autonomy, calling for a resolution to the Sino-Tibet conflict through non-violence, dialogue, and mutual benefit.
The 17th Kashak remains firmly committed to the middle way policy envisioned by His Holiness the Dalai Lama, which seeks a resolution to the Sino-Tibet conflict through non-violence, dialogue, and mutual benefit that would be lasting. Accordingly, until a resolution is achieved, we will continue the back-channel communications with caution and steadiness with the Chinese government while pursuing strategies to strengthen international recognition and support for the middle way policy.
Looking ahead to his 5-year term, the Sikyong pledged to modernize the administration through e-governance, strengthen welfare programs, and ramp up international advocacy. However, the democratic process was not without its challenges. According to various reports, China attempted to mount a disinformation campaign during the recent elections, spreading fake and misleading information within the exile community in an effort to mislead voters. Despite Beijing's opposition, the re-election has drawn swift international praise. The All-Party Australian Parliamentary Group for Tibet offers formal support, while the U.S. Special Coordinator for Tibetan Issues, Riley Barnes, congratulated Mr. Tsering, affirming that Washington will continue to engage with democratically elected Tibetan leaders in support of Tibetans worldwide. In a move likely to further test diplomatic ties, the U.S. Embassy and consulates in China directly amplified the message, reposting Mr. Barnes' congratulatory statement directly from Beijing.